up, guys? Welcome back to Herbs class, man, for 5 more minutes of math. Now, there's a couple of videos up here already about solving linear equations. And remember, linear equations are equations that have just one letter, no exponents. So it'll be all x's or maybe all y's, but no exponents. Now, there are a couple of videos up here about how to solve these equations, but just like in math, there's a lot of different ways to get to the answer. So we have a video already about simplify, sort, and solve. Now let's talk about opposite operations. And so you know, like everything else in math, man, I'd rather do it than talk about it. So let's get an equation up here and see what I'm talking about. Yeah, that looks like a good one for now. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to solve this for x. We want to know what value of x is going to make this equation true. So to get this x by itself, what we're going to do is we're going to start peeling off layers of things that are surrounding that x. First off, don't forget the line on the equal sign. That line is extremely important because whatever I do on one side of that line, I gotta do on the other side of that line. So let's talk about now how we're gonna get this x by itself. Now there are two things surrounding this x. This -3 is attached to the x, and then this -4 is added after the x, right? Save this for last. Think about trying to take your sock off before you take your shoe off, right? It's impossible. You got to start peeling off the outer layers before you peel off the layer that's closest to the x. That number that's closest to the x is going to have to wait for last. So, this -4, when I say opposite operations, isn't there a number I can add to this 4 to get rid of it, to cancel it out? What would you add? This 4 is being subtracted. What's the opposite operation for subtraction? Addition. That's exactly right. I can undo this -4 by adding 4, but you gotta do it to both sides of the equal sign. So if I'm adding 4 here, I have to also add 4 there. That's exactly right. Let's see where this takes us. Nothing happens to this -3, so guess what it does? It comes down to the next line. Yeah, exactly right. -4 plus 4, they cancel each other out. That's the whole reason we added 4, to get rid of that, to undo it. So on the other side, what's 5 plus 4? 9, exactly right. Now notice, we're whittling down little by little to get this x by itself. Now notice there's only one thing that's left that's attached to that x. You know what that one thing is? -3. What's the operation going on between these two? Multiplication. That's -3 times x. And how do we undo multiplication? We divide. Yeah, we show division by a fraction line, but don't forget to do it to the other side. Yeah, now, -3 divided by -3, isn't that 1? Yeah, it's 1. But do we really leave that 1 on that x? No. Bang, going. What is 9 divided by -3? Of course it's -3. That's our answer. And now don't forget how we can check, how to make sure that this is a solution. Plug it back in. Yeah, just like that. Let's do some quick math. PEMDAS. Multiply first. What's -3 times -3? 9. It was 9 minus 4. 5. Oh yeah, consider that solved, and that is our solution. And that's how we solve equations doing opposite operations. Man, I hope that helped. I'm gonna check you out next time. Oh yeah. Bye guys.